Welcome to this informative video on the topic of extraterrestrial life. In this video, we will explore the possibility of life beyond our planet and the search for it. Part 1. The definition of extraterrestrial life. Extraterrestrial life is not a new concept, and humans have been fascinated with the idea of life beyond our planet for centuries. In the 17th century, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei first used a telescope to observe the Moon and other planets, fueling our curiosity about the possibility of life elsewhere. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that we began to seriously search for extraterrestrial life. Part 2. The search for extraterrestrial life. NASA's Kepler spacecraft, launched in 2009, has been instrumental in the search for habitable planets outside of our solar system. In May 2020, the mission officially ended after the spacecraft ran out of fuel, but it has left behind an incredible legacy. The data collected by Kepler has allowed scientists to estimate that there are likely billions of habitable Earth-sized planets in our Milky Way galaxy alone. The search for extraterrestrial life is not limited to NASA's Kepler mission, however. The Breakthrough Initiatives, a privately funded organization, launched the Breakthrough Listen project in 2015. The project is the most comprehensive search for extraterrestrial intelligence ever undertaken, and it uses some of the world's most powerful telescopes to scan the skies for signals of intelligent life. Part 3. The possibility of extraterrestrial life. While the search for extraterrestrial life has been ongoing for decades, we have yet to discover any definitive evidence of it. However, scientists remain optimistic, and there are several reasons to believe that extraterrestrial life may be out there. For example, some of the building blocks of life, such as amino acids, have been found on meteorites, indicating that they can exist beyond Earth. Another reason to be optimistic is that life on Earth seems to be able to survive in extreme environments, such as deep-sea vents or in the freezing temperatures of Antarctica. This suggests that life may be able to exist in similarly extreme conditions on other planets. Part 4. How would we recognize extraterrestrial life? If we were to discover extraterrestrial life, it would be an incredible achievement, but how would we recognize it? One possible way is to look for biosignatures, which are signs of life that can be detected remotely. For example, the presence of methane in an exoplanet's atmosphere could be a sign of life, as it is often produced by living organisms. Another way to recognize extraterrestrial life is to look for complex structures that could not be produced by non-living processes. For example, if we were to discover an artificial structure on another planet, it would be a strong indication that intelligent life exists there. Part 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing and exciting endeavor. While we have yet to discover any definitive evidence of life beyond Earth, the possibility is more likely than ever before. With new technologies and missions, we may one day discover that we are not alone in the universe. As we continue our search, it's important to remember that the discovery of extraterrestrial life, even microbial life, would be one of the most significant achievements in human history.